What's going on, guys? We're going to take a little look at Amazon stock. So we know we had the split take part. It's going to be a little bit hard to kind of get used to, these new price movements on Amazon. What I'm looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. Right now, a little bit of a pullback that we had off of the open. We did push higher right out of the gates. We topped out at around 129. We pulled all the way back into the lower channel on the linear regression. If you guys do not know what that is, definitely visit my website at evolutiontraders.com, learn my strategy. But with that being said, pulled into the 20 SMA there, immediately bounced and got rejected at the 5 on the 1 hour time frame. So I know there's a lot going on here and a lot of moving parts that I'm talking about here with all of these different moving averages, but they all play a very key role to what the stock price is going to do in the short term. Again, as a trader, not an investor, as a trader, it's all about staying in between the lines and having things confirm. When those things confirm, then we can get a better picture of what's going to happen and take our best stab at kind of managing that risk that we're putting on the table. So for me, what I would need to see on Amazon is for it to get over the 5-day moving average at around $126.58, but even better for me, 127.35. Okay, anything over 137.25 or 127.35 definitely has room to come back up to 129, and over 129 is a macro push higher. Now, I don't like being trapped, okay? So right now, there's not a real big trade here. If anything, what this looks like to me is just a dead cat bounce here that's getting stuffed at the 5-day moving average until it closes over. And again, this 1 hour candle is going to close in 4 minutes. So if it can close over and next hour can confirm the highs here, then we have more room. If we do not get over and we cannot confirm the high of this wick on this hour candle, we will come back down. The support we're looking at right now is around 124.49. Again, pretty much the last 2 hours, Amazon gave back the first 2 hours all of those gains. So anybody who got long and is still holding off of the open within the first 1 to 2 hours, you guys are now trapped. And I would recommend to try to get out of this position as soon as possible at least break even or a cup of coffee loss. If we get over 126.60, then you can breathe a little bit easier. Understand we got about another dollar higher. That would be a little bit more choppy, and then over that 127 could go a little bit higher, which is going to be 129. Again, we have to play from supply to supply and demand to demand until we can kind of get over some of these supply zones here. The NASDAQ futures are pushing higher right now at about 125 tick higher move. We were trading, just a matter of 20-30 minutes ago at around 25 and almost flat. So what's that saying is we just gained about 100 points in the NASDAQ futures within the matter of the last 30 minutes. Is it bullish? Is it a trap? It is still yet to be determined. The levels that you want to play are when we break over supply. The levels that you want to play is when we come into demand. If you don't understand what that means, join my Discord. I can help you guys out, help you guys try to understand the way that you should be trading and not just kind of buying because something's green now. Again, to me, when I look at this from a 1 hour time frame, this is a rejection spot for a lower move until we get over that 127 area. When we get over 127, now we're talking more room to the upside. But as of right now, this is just a dead cat bounce in a continued down move. I hope that makes sense. I hope that didn't ruffle anyone's feathers. I hope you guys kind of took something away from that. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys on the next one.